Hi everyone, I'm here at the library and I was in the middle of unboxing a bunch of new books and I thought, oh, I should show the kids. I mean, don't get to come down here, but they'll soon be on Destiny Discover. Some really cool things, like we have this new series called She Survives, Girls Survive, and it's a great kind of read-alike if you are a fan of the I Survive books. These girls are surviving stuff all over American history. So great new cool things. We also have a brand new scary book called Ghost Squad. This is by Claribel Ortega and it follows some nice Hispanic, Latino ghosts. We have new chapters in the Explorer Academy books waiting for you to explore. Some new graphic novels. This is Shirley and Jamila Save Their Summer. So if you're a fan of Raina Tegmeyer, you might really enjoy these. Also, those I Survive books, they now come in graphic novels. Look at this one. It's so cool. Here's my box full of books. Guess what I have? Lots more Goosebumps. So if you're a Goosebumps fan, I just restocked some more. So look for these to show up in Destiny Discover in the next couple days. Put a hold and they'll be on the way to your classroom. Take care, guys.